Hello, I'm your guide to online money-making magic. Today, we're setting out on a journey to unlock your financial potential, a journey that will lead you through the fascinating world of digital entrepreneurship. You'll gain valuable insights into various avenues of online income, from freelancing to investing and much more. We'll explore techniques for building an online presence, managing your time effectively, and understanding your financial obligations. So, are you ready to unleash your financial potential? Let's dive into the world of online money-making. The online world is filled with endless opportunities for financial success. But where to start, you ask? Let's dive into some of the most promising avenues for making money online. First up, we have freelancing. This is a goldmine for those with a specific skill set. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or consultant, you can sell your services on a project basis to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easier than ever to connect with potential clients and start earning. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to make money if you have a blog, a website, or a strong social media following. Then there's the e-commerce route. Ever dreamt of owning your own store? With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, you can set up an online store and sell products directly to consumers. Even better, you can dropship products, which means you don't have to handle inventory or shipping. Your supplier does it all for you. Content creation is another exciting avenue. If you love creating videos, writing blogs, or even hosting podcasts, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube and WordPress. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even crowdfunding. Lastly, let's not forget about online investing. With apps like Robinhood and platforms like Forex, you can invest in stocks, bonds, and currencies. Or if real estate is more your thing, platforms like Fundrise let you invest in property without the need for huge capital. Each of these avenues has its own potential and works differently. Some may require a specific skill set, while others might need a certain amount of initial investment. But the beauty of online money making is that there is something for everyone regardless of your background or experience. Now that you're familiar with the opportunities, it's time to build your online presence. Your online presence is your digital storefront. It's true, and here's why. Whether you're an artist showcasing your work, a consultant pitching your services, or an entrepreneur launching your brand, a well-crafted online presence can open doors to limitless opportunities. So how do you build this digital storefront? Start with a professional website or portfolio. This should reflect who you are, what you do, and the value you offer. It's your chance to make a first impression, so keep it clean, keep it clear, and keep it compelling. Next, don't underestimate the power of social media. It's not just about posting selfies or sharing memes, it's a platform to network, to build relationships, and to promote your brand. Do it right, and you can reach people you'd never have reached otherwise. Remember, it's all about authenticity and consistency. Show up, share value, and engage with your audience. With a strong online presence, you're ready to step into the gig economy. Welcome to the gig economy, where your skills are your currency. In the digital age, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have become the marketplace of talents, connecting freelancers with clients across the globe. Whether you're a graphic designer, a marketing guru, a wordsmith, or a coding wizard, there's a space for you. But how do you stand out in a sea of freelancers? It all starts with a compelling profile. This is your digital storefront, the first impression you make on potential clients. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and most importantly, tell your story. People love to know the person behind the skills. Success in freelancing also requires a proactive approach. Don't just wait for clients to find you. Seek out the projects that excite you. And remember, each job is an opportunity to build lasting relationships and a reputation for quality work. Freelancing is just the beginning. Next, we'll explore the world of affiliate marketing. Scene script. Affiliate marketing is like having a sales job but with the entire internet as your territory. Picture this. You're the middleman between a buyer and a seller, earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a lucrative way to generate income online as you don't need to develop your own products or services. Instead, you're promoting the goods of others. But how do you identify profitable affiliate programs? It's all about research. Look for programs that offer a good commission rate, have products that are in demand, and are backed by a reputable company. Once you've found your ideal program, it's time to market. Utilize your website, blog, or social media platforms to reach potential customers. Be authentic, provide valuable content, And remember to disclose your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing can be a goldmine, but there's more. Let's explore e-commerce and dropshipping next. Imagine owning a store without the need for physical inventory. Welcome to the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Setting up an online store is simpler than you might think. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, you can create a virtual storefront in a matter of hours. Now let's talk about dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products online, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the products on your behalf. This means you don't need to handle any physical inventory. Pretty cool, right? Plus, it allows you to offer a wide range of products without substantial initial investment. But remember, success in e-commerce requires attracting customers to your store. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and even pay-per-click advertising to drive traffic. Navigating e-commerce and dropshipping can be a game changer. E-commerce is booming, but there's another avenue to explore: content creation and monetization. Content is king, and it can also be your cash cow. This statement rings true for many successful online entrepreneurs who found their financial freedom in content creation. Starting a blog or launching a YouTube channel can be a rewarding venture, both creatively and financially. Choosing a niche you're passionate about is key. Your enthusiasm will shine through, and that's what your audience will connect with. Once you've built a foundation of quality content, monetization becomes a viable next step. AdSense is a popular choice for many, placing ads on your site or videos. Sponsorships also offer a lucrative route, where brands pay for a mention or review of their product. But remember, an engaged audience is a loyal audience. Encourage interaction, respond to comments, and consistently deliver content your audience loves. Content creation is a great way to share your passion and make money. But there's more to online money-making magic. Let's talk about investing and passive income. Why work for money when your money can work for you? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Investing is the powerhouse behind this concept. By putting your money into stocks, real estate, or other assets, you're giving it a job. You're telling it, go out there and bring me back more money. So, how does one generate passive income? A simple strategy is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. These companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders, essentially putting money directly into your pocket. Real estate, on the other hand, offers rental income. Buying a property and renting it out can provide a steady stream of income. But, as with everything, there are risks and rewards. Stocks can fluctuate and real estate can be costly to maintain. Yet the potential gains can be substantial, and over time, your investments can grow exponentially. Investing can supercharge your income, but remember, time is money. So, start exploring these options today and let your money start working for you. In the world of online money making, time is your most valuable asset. It's the one resource that's finite, and you can't get it back once it's spent. So, how do you make the most of it? Well, the first step is balancing work and personal life. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but remember, all work and no play can lead to burnout. So schedule time for relaxation and leisure activities. It's not wasted time. It's an investment in your well-being. Next, consider time management techniques specifically geared towards online entrepreneurs. Prioritize tasks, set clear deadlines, and use tools and apps to stay organized. A well-planned day can be the difference between a productive day and a chaotic one. Lastly, staying focused and productive is vital. Avoid distractions, stay disciplined, and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Your goals are within reach, you just have to manage your time effectively to achieve them. Time management is crucial, but equally important are legal and financial considerations. The road to financial success is paved with legal and financial responsibilities. It's crucial to understand your tax obligations. No one wants unexpected tax bills or penalties. Protecting your online business legally is another key. Seek advice on copyright, trademarks, and contracts. Lastly, financial planning is essential for stability and growth. Consider an emergency fund, retirement savings, and reinvesting profits. A financial advisor or accountant can be invaluable. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination.